Hello and welcome to this helpful guide. Whether you're looking for more privacy or just want to read messages without letting others know, today's video is for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable read receipts in the Messenger app using clear and simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Next, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll down the menu and tap on Settings. After that, look for the section labeled Privacy and Safety and tap to open it. Now scroll down through the privacy settings until you find Read Receipts. Finally, tap on Read Receipts and then toggle off the option labeled Show Read Receipts. Once this is off, people won't see when you've read their messages. That's all it takes to stop showing read receipts in Messenger. It's a small change, but it can give you a lot more control over your privacy. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more simple tech tips.